So that's just Photoshop. Why I get excited about teaching it? I guess it is exciting. Actually, those things I'm teaching is kind of very, I would say, they're very interesting and they are still very, very magical to me today. It hasn't changed. Like, I have been using Photoshop for, okay, more than a decade, okay? Since, okay, almost 2 decades, I think. Okay, that's not dwell on the age thing, okay? But the thing is, Photoshop evolves over the year to, when the content aware coming out, I was like mind-blowing, like how this can happen. It's just so easy to use. And before I have to buy plugins to remove background or noise. And now it's like, no, you can just a few clicks in Photoshop and it's all done. So when the content aware came out, when I have to extend my backdrop or something, it becomes super easy. It's like the dream come true. It saves me tons of time. So because the tools are evolved like over the years, and it got me really excited to use all this new function, a new effect, and it just super fun. When you can do something, when you used to have to spend like half an hour to do one job, for example, extend the background, and now you only need few seconds. It's just mind-blowing. And I amazed about the technology now evolve. And now the AI is coming really strong and creepy in a way as well. Like, you never thought about AI can do jobs so good. Now it's like, you made my work and made my job easier than before. Before, you might need to like a team of 5 to do the photo retouching. Now you can most probably do everything yourself. That's just the trend, the work. You have to be smart, work smart, and understand the tools and keep learning the new tools. Like, I have been using different type of AI tools, and I know, like, because the software have to improve every now and then. It's quite often, like, I don't know how many times Photoshop update a year. So many times. It's just unbelievable. And I don't always update because I just get fed up with all these messages, notifications that you have to update this, update that. And a lot of effects, I don't even need to use it for my portrait retouching, honestly. There's something for videos, there's something for maybe for like graphic effects, because Photoshop, after all, is still a very powerful software. It covers so many different creative grounds. And I only use a part that is for portraits. I'm still very, very excited about Photoshop after all this year using it. It never gets bored. It's a toy that never make you feel bored. There's always something new. There's always something you can explore. Like one effect, you can use so many different ways to create one type of effect and have different results. The infinite choice of what you can do with the image, all the possibilities you can have. It's just amazing. I think compared to the film day, I also come from a film background with the film camera. So I know the transition, when this darkroom work, it was super exciting as well, because there are so many things you can do with darkroom techniques. And now Photoshop is like, I don't know, infinite difference. Like, they are very different, but they still like giving us a huge playground to create, which I appreciate very much. So that's just Photoshop. Why I get excited about teaching it? I guess it is exciting. It's Lily Amanda for Portrait Creatives, and I'll see you in the next video.